occurring in the connection. And thus, a series of values from which to generate the actual design of the connection between the intended sections. Design which in this example, could be generated through advanced steel or similar programs. So, and with the purpose of both demonstrating such design process, and obtaining the real connection for the members of the truss beam, let's have a quick look at advanced steel and its tools. For instance, and to begin with, we've already translated the model of the structure to advanced steel. For instance, let's attempt to obtain the design of some of the connections, for the members in the bottom part of the truss. Here we've then the first proposal for the design of the connection, since again, we may adjust it to our needs. For instance, here we find all properties corresponding to this type of connection. Beginning of course by its general settings. And